The Bible speaks of love and it speaks of peace. And there is nothing better than peace. And the Rasta man has realized that and is trying to get across to the people to show them that it's better for us to live in love and unity and peace and harmony than fighting against each other.
Me still a Rasta and me not stop. You can't take Rasta out of me. You can't take me out of Rasta. So if you try, till you can't try no more. I just Rastafari.
A lot of people die for the cause, and we associate ourselves with that struggle, dying for the cause. With our mind dying for the cause. Up to now, we don't mind dying for the cause, for we know them willing out and able to get rid of us. Those who they can, but the struggle must go on. A luta continue. The struggle.